Let's make a beautiful white asparagus soup. Start by peeling and chopping 2 white onions. Take 750 grams of white asparagus. Chop the ends off because they give bitterness. Then remove the skins from the sticks using a vegetable peeler. Now take 750 grams of starchy potatoes and give them a good old peel as well. Wash the vegetables and cut the potatoes up into small chunks. Preheat a pot and add vegetable oil. Add the diced onions and a pinch of salt to help the sautéing process. Reduce the heat if they get too much color quickly. Add a good knob of butter and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Break the asparagus down into smaller chunks directly into the pot. You could also chop them before, it doesn't matter. Sprinkle some sugar. Pour around 100 milliliters of white wine. Let it sizzle until the alcohol evaporates. Takes around 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the heat setting. Fill up with the potatoes. Season with salt, pepper and a little bit of nutmeg. Add water to cover the story. Place a lid on top to speed up the cooking. After approximately 30 minutes, test the veggies for softness. Once they are fine, pour 400 grams of full-fat cream and sizzle for around 5 to 10 minutes for the ingredients to integrate together. Set up your cup mixer. For asparagus soup, it is much better than a hand blender because of the hairy fibers of this veg, which often get strangled up on the blender blades. Mix in batches, one by one, until you have blended the whole thing. Pour the pureed soup into a fresh pot. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and spices if needed. Asparagus also loves lemon acidity, so I will press some fresh lemon juice to bring the taste to 10 out of 10. Give it a final stir and it is ready to serve. So let me try it again.